Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to fix the frustrating problem of having no sound on YouTube TV. It's happened to the best of us. You're ready to settle in for a great show, and silence. Don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll cover a range of troubleshooting steps, from the simplest to the more advanced, so you can get your audio back up and running in no time. We'll look at things like checking your volume levels, verifying your audio output settings, restarting your devices, and even some app-specific fixes. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Rome Tips for more tips and tricks on all things streaming and tech. Now, let's get that sound fixed. Okay, so the first thing you want to check, and I know this sounds obvious, but it's easily overlooked, is your volume. Make sure the volume on your TV or streaming device is turned up. Sometimes it's accidentally muted or turned down very low. Check both the device's physical volume buttons and any on-screen volume controls within YouTube TV itself. Next, let's confirm that your audio output is correctly selected. Go into your device's settings. This could be your smart TV, Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, or whatever you're using to stream. Look for the audio settings. Make sure the output is set to your TV speakers or whatever external speakers or soundbar you're using. If you have multiple options, try selecting a different one to see if that resolves the issue. For example, switching from HDMI ARC to the built-in TV speakers can sometimes help isolate the problem. Alright, let's move on to restarting devices. This is a classic troubleshooting step, but it's effective. First, completely close the YouTube TV app. Don't just minimize it, actually close it. Then, restart your streaming device. Unplug it from the power outlet for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. This gives it a fresh start and can often clear up temporary glitches. Also, restart your TV while you're at it. Now, let's talk about some app-specific fixes. First, make sure you're running the latest version of the YouTube TV app. Outdated apps can sometimes have bugs that cause audio issues. Go to your device's app store, like Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or Roku Channel Store, and check for any available updates for YouTube TV. Install them if there are any. If updating doesn't work, try clearing the cache and data for the YouTube TV app. This can help remove corrupted files that might be causing the problem. The process for clearing cache and data varies slightly depending on your device, but generally, you can find this option in the app settings or device settings under apps or applications. Find YouTube TV, then look for options like Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be aware that clearing data will likely require you to sign back into the app. If you're still having trouble, consider reinstalling the YouTube TV app completely. Uninstall the app from your device, then reinstall it from the App Store. This can sometimes fix more stubborn issues that clearing the cache and data can't resolve. Another thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can sometimes cause audio problems. Run a speed test on your device to make sure you're getting sufficient bandwidth. If your internet is slow, try restarting your router and modem. If none of these steps have worked, it's possible there's an issue with the specific video you're trying to watch. Try watching a different video on YouTube TV to see if the sound works. If the sound works on other videos, the problem might be with the original video itself, and there's not much you can do on your end. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and you're still having no sound on YouTube TV, you might want to contact YouTube TV support. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or identify any known issues with the service. Hopefully, one of these solutions has helped you get your sound back up and running on YouTube TV. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.